Okay, Barish Doctor, as a leading kidney transplant specialist in Turkey, you are well aware that people around the world have numerous questions and concerns about kidney transplant in Turkey. So first, mostly asked question, is it safe to have kidney transplant in Turkey for international patients?
Turkey offers the most advanced techniques and success rates in Europe for living donor kidney transplantation. When you look at the world rates, Turkey is at the top 5 country who is doing outnumbered living donor kidney transplantation. When you look at Europe, they do 80 to 85% of cadaveric, but the Turkey is just the opposite. In Turkey, we do 80-85% of living donation. So Turkey is a very experienced and also offering advanced techniques and is also offering benefit of paired donation across transplantation. So yes, it's right now important center in the middle of the world for international patients for kidney and liver transplantation.
What are requirements for international patients to have kidney transplant in Florence Nightingale Hospital?
Well, the most important thing is a kinship. So there needs to be 4-degree relationship in between the donor and the recipient. This is far beyond 4-degree, then they need approval from the ethical committee, and they should prove that this is just for a gift of life but not for any money business. Therefore, they need to present the required documents. So the most important other thing is the donor and the recipient should be very safe, and after the donation the donor should have a regular life while the recipient will have a successful and functional kidney for long years.
Is kidney transplant possible if patient and donor are having different blood types?
Maybe this is the most important thing that we can offer to these couples. And everywhere there are donors and recipients, but they can't have transplantation because they are not suitable. Here we can offer them ABO incompatible transplantation if they have low anti-A, anti-B isohemagglutinin levels. And if it's not the possibility, at that time we have a big paired donation list. As in Turkey we have lots of living donors, we prefer to have paired donation for offering patients who have high immunologic risk and also who are ABO incompatible. So this is the most important group that they should come to us and see if they have a matching couple so that both of them can have a safe transplant.
Thank you. How you handle post-treatment care and follow-up for international patients?
The most important thing is long-term graft survival. So we have a post-transplant patient follow-up program. When you come to our hospital, it takes like 5 to 6 days hospitalization for kidney transplantation. After the first 2-3 days time, the recipient feels okay, and the next 2-3 days are mainly for education for post-transplant follow-up. Right now, everything is at the top of the computers or mobile, so they do their tests back at their homeland and they send it to us, and we do our follow-up even from Trinidad Tobago to Mongolia. So we have so many patients all around the world.
Perfect. And last question, why Florence Nightingale Hospital is a preferred choice for kidney transplant for international patients?
Because we have the most advanced standards. As I had my training at Ohio State University in United States, this is a satellite program, just like a satellite program of that. So we have everything what is being done in the United States. We offer them advanced surgical techniques. We do robotic surgery here, so that's another important issue. The other important thing is we have a very successful tissue typing lab that we deal with high challenging immunologic risk patients. But more than that, we've been doing this since 2004. We have a very experienced and well-adapted team. So that's the most important thing that we can offer long-term good success after kidney transplantation.
Perfect. Thank you, Barish Doctor, for your expertise. We have covered valuable information about kidney transplant in Turkey. If you still have any question, feel free to comment in our social media pages or simply reach out us in WhatsApp.